Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create an energy ball like this. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First create a new composition, then hit OK, go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it fractal noise 1. Then hit OK. Go to effects and presets and type fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop. Okay, now set basic to dynamic, and also I'll change contrast here to 80, brightness to minus 45, and I'll go to evolution, alt and keyframe to time. I'll type time times 100 and see. Okay, I'll go to sub settings and I'll change sub rotation to 136 and see. Okay, now Control D to copy, and I'll change contrast to 100. Also brightness, I'll change it to 35, and complexity, I'll change it to 50, and I'll open transform and scale, I'll change it to 600 like this. Go to sub settings, I don't need this rotation, and I'll go to layer fractal noise 2, this one, and set normal to screen and see. This is number 2. Okay, again Control D, and I'll change contrast to 400, brightness to minus 80, and sub settings here I'll change sub rotation to 136. Also scale, transform scale 150 like this. Yeah, and sub influence I'll change it to 80, sub scaling to 70, and yeah. Okay, now select all and right click, recompose, and I'll name it energy ball. Then okay, now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC sphere. Double click or drag and drop and see. Go to radius, increase it like this, and this is our ball. Okay, go to layer, new solid as a background, then okay, put this layer down and go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp. Set linear to radial, and change these colors. Like this. Okay, go to layer, new adjustment layer, and go here to draw mask like this, and I'll put this mask around this ball. Okay, like this. Okay, now I'll go to Effect, Video Copilot, and Saber. Go to Saber, set Saber to layer mask, and I'll change normal to screen, or maybe add, and I'll go to glow settings and I'll change glow here to 100, like this. Also, if you want, go to energy ball and go to light. If you want to change this color like this, you can do it. And also light direction if you want to change it. Okay, also light height, you can change it like this. I think it will be good. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.